Welcome back. Today we're making fly vegan chicken Alfredo. Now let's get started. We're going to start off with some vegan butter. Then I'm going to add some shallots and some minced garlic. Throw in some mushroom and cook this for about 5 minutes.
Give this video a thumbs up.
I add some gardein meatless strips. I'm just going to cook those until they're browned. Now I'll add in some sun-dried tomatoes.
Tomatoes, yeah.
Now I'm throwing in some seasonings. I'm just going to coat this and make sure everything's covered with the seasoning. Now for the star of the show, vegan sour cream. You done? Okay, so now that the sour cream is in, I'm going to add some spinach. The spinach actually wilts pretty quickly, so I'm going to cook this for like 5 minutes. Now I have another Alfredo recipe on my channel, but this is absolutely the best one. Like, hands down, this is the best. Now this Alfredo would be great with pasta, but today I feel like rice, so I ate it with rice and it was absolutely delicious. I'll catch you guys in the comment section. Until next time, positive vibes only. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with a friend, and don't forget
To subscribe.